BloFin is a professional futures exchange that's built for leverage traders, copy trading, and execution purists. So it's really a derivatives first cryptocurrency exchange prioritizing futures execution quality, having structured leverage and transparent copy trading over retail gimmicks. So in 2026, it really stands out as a serious alternative to larger exchanges for traders who value stability, risk control, performance during volatility, and it's best for traders and leverage users who are looking for the best platforms that you can also do a high leverage copy trading on. So let's get right into what BloFin is all about. If you want to check out the platform, use the link in the description so you can get discounted fees and bonuses as well. It's not a mass market platform. It's really for futures traders. BloFin is a centralized cryptocurrency platform offering these USDT margined perpetual futures. And what I really like is that their core philosophy really reflects their belief in terms of most of the serious crypto trading is happening in the derivatives market. So when you have a futures market, which is your core product, your UI really has to be prioritized for speed and clarity, and you have to have the risk systems that are built around leverage. And this is what these guys have done with the USDT margined perpetuals, supporting major assets like BTC, ETH, SOL, XRP, high interest altcoin perpetuals as well, with adjusted leverage, isolated and cross-margin modes. They also have spot trading, even though it's really on a smaller scale, just to fund the futures accounts, hedge exposure, support copy trading workflows as well. So, they have a real good futures experience, like I said, with clear liquidation price displays, fast order placement, partial close functionality, low latency execution, and structured leverage tiers. And the leverage and margin system itself is dynamic when it comes to the margin requirements and risk-based position sizing limits, with clear liquidation thresholds and insurance mechanisms as well. When it comes to the copy trading, it's quite interesting. They have a full performance transparency, visible drawdowns, equity curve history, clear trade risk profiles, flexible capital allocation. When it comes to the fees, they have the most competitive futures fees, particularly for active traders. Fee efficiency does compound over time, making it really suitable for high frequency strategies as well. And liquidity and execution quality is really top tier. And along with the platform stability and also the performance, which is really uptime, reliabilities, high and responsive UI with stable APIs, security and risk controls are there with cold wallet custody, multi-signature controls. When you compare it to other exchanges like BloFin, compared to OKX and Bybit and MEXC and Deribit, you also see that, they have qualities that really give them an edge when it comes to speed, liquidity, execution, risk control, and trader-centric features. So among them, you have to just kind of look at some of the competitors. All the links are in the description. Check out the full review so you can also just see our analysis of that. But really the strengths are in the futures matching engine, the transparent copy trader metrics, the isolated and cross-margin modes, and the liquidity that they have on big pairs. If you want to get started with BloFin, go check it out and let me know what your thoughts are. Register with the link in the description and get some discounts. It is a safe exchange to use with flexible KYC as well. And really, if you want to do futures, this is one of the top platforms to check out. The links are all in the description. Like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.